Okay, so in this video I will demonstrate the new phone which will launch in mid of 2021. Some of you heard the brand name or some of you using this company phone. I am talking about BlackBerry 5G smartphone. The last phone BlackBerry developed was BlackBerry Key 2 and launched in 13 July 2018. I know I never talk about this brand before and not even in my videos, but maybe there's some people out there wants to know about BlackBerry 5G smartphone. BlackBerry 5G is coming with a physical keyboard and a touch screen. You can freely touch the smartphone screen like touching on Android or iOS. But some of you guys will have a question. Does this smartphone has higher refresh rate? Yes or no? The answer is yes. This smartphone will come with 120Hz of refresh rate, which tells me that after 2 years BlackBerry is improving in the smartphone. Very impressive. BlackBerry haven't announced about the specs which will include in this smartphone. However, BlackBerry has leaked that this smartphone has 2 back cameras and 1 front camera. What I was thinking is this smartphone should have face lock to improve the security and make it more convenient for people to use it. This phone will cost around $800. BlackBerry 5G smartphone is available in 3 colors: red, black and off-white. Personally, I think BlackBerry should launch their phone if it will have high specs, good camera result and Android 11. I will end the video here. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to this channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.